Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own S corporation in Texas. I believe as a business owner that we should focus on running the business, making the money and providing value to people, not taking too much care about administration, accounting or how to start a company. I have an overview about it, of course, but if you're going to invest too much time everywhere, you're nowhere. And this way that I'm going to show you how you should start your own company, I believe is the best way. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. So when you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. And when you will scroll down below, click on the link, you will get right here to Incfile. And Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation in Texas. So here you want to click Start My Business and then choose the LLC, choose the S corporation here, and state of formation, you want to find Texas. Nice. And then you're going to have three options here. The silver package, you're going to have a basics here. Free registered agent, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling articles of organization. My recommendation is going at least with the gold, only because you're going to have covered everything. With banking resolution, corporation bylaws, IRS form, business tax number, it's good. They are going to cover everything for you. And then you're going to have options to have the platinum, where you can get the platinum package, but you got only 3 advantages there: business contract templates if you need those, expedited filling, so your S corporation would be filled faster, and domain name, business email. Even if you would choose the gold package, even then you're going to have options to have the expedited filling. So I would choose the gold package. That's my recommendation. Of course, later in the video you can upgrade for platinum package. Here you're going to add a first name, Marcus Sistonelius, email address, and then also phone number here. And then we're going to add also address down below. So, okay. Then street address here, city, state, and zip code. Now I'm going to press next here. And when you're going to have it, you're going to choose the state filling time. So you can go with the 5 weeks, or you can go simply with the 9 business days. This is completely up to you. If you want your S corporation faster, I would recommend going with the 9 business days. And then you would press next here. Then you're going to have the S corporation name. So where you would get, let's say, Marcus Marketing. You're going to add your name and designator. You would choose it, and the number of directors. How many directors you're going to have. Business purpose here. So what kind of business purpose you have. Say marketing service for small business owners. And then industry keyword. Let's say marketing. Marketing consulting services. Then you're going to have the corporate stock information when you're going to have add a number of shares. So I'm going 1000, and per value it's going to be like this, and number of shareholders, let's say 2. Then you're going to have the company address information here, where you're going to have the share per value, etc. Company address information, so you can have professional business address, and you will maintain privacy by using commercial address, or you can use your own address. Completely up to you if you choose the commercial one. And then you're going to have the premium service package here. So you're going to have the business contract templates, where you would have 25 high quality legal documents and domain name, business email address with the premium service package. If you want, you can do that, or click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity. Then you need to add directors here. So that's the next step. If you're alone, you're just alone director and officer information. And vice president. And when you will have it, again, you will press next. Then you have to add shareholders and SSN number and number of shares. And then you see the 500 shares are remaining. And again, shareholder 2, based on directors that you added, SSN number and number of shares. And you see that I got remaining 500. Or I can have 250, but then I have got 250 shares remaining. Representative information here, and you would add a full name and a phone number. Who is the representative? if the IRS might call. Then you're gonna press next here. Then you're gonna have the registered agent information, and this is something that you can do by yourself, or my recommendation is having covered by Incfile. So Incfile would cover it for the first year completely for free, and that's something that I would recommend heavily to do. And then you see why you use as a registered agent. You're gonna have all the reasons here, and then press next. Then you need to add a tax identification number information. So Incfile will apply for the employer identification number, and they will obtain it from the IRS electronically. And I'm going to add a SSN number here, physical street address, and then press next again. Now you can also open a Bank of America account. So you're gonna have the bank account. You can have them call you or not at all. Again, completely up to you if you're gonna choose that. And then you're just gonna press next here. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So you can have easily the free consultation with Incfile. And you can click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation completely for free. And you will learn everything, how the S corporation works, how it's taxed, business bookkeeping requirements, how to choose the proper IRS tax election, and then press next again. Then you can see we identified 2 licenses for a consulting business in Texas. And then you can have that, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me necessary applications. So this is another thing that I heavily recommend for you to do, is that Incfile will cover it for you. They will research what kind of licenses you need, and it costs $100, or you can do the work by yourself. You can research it on Google how to apply, that they will send it to you, but the whole process is so, I don't like doing that. I just really like, okay, here's the $100, solve it for me, and I'm good to go. So I would definitely do that. And then you can click here, use the company address here. And that's pretty much it. And then what you're gonna do is press next here, and then you're gonna find a review order. So here you can review your order for S corporation in Texas and how you can start a S corporation in Texas. So here you would understand everything. You can review it if everything is added correctly with the shares, the officers, etc. And then you would press next. And then you're gonna have the billing information. So with the billing information, you would add a first name, last name, street address, card number, and this is pretty much how we can easily start your own S corporation in USA, how we can start S corporation in Texas. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And that's pretty much it. So this was an S corporation, how we can start S corporation. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.